Welcome to How to Trail Jump on a Sport ATV. We'll be using my 2009 Yamaha Raptor 700, but the basic technique applies across most sport quads. And I'm not a motocrosser, so I won't be discussing how to hit larger track style jumps. It's good to start small, so pick a reasonably sized jump to practice on, one where it's easy to circle back and hit repeatedly. Make sure the jump is even at the top, not lower on the left or right side. That will launch you slightly sideways, and you'll get a jolt to the shoulders when one side of the quad lands before the other, or the quad will want to turn in the air. Also, if you have a jump that has a dip or hole in the top, it may catch your back wheels after your fronts carry over, resulting in a sudden donkey kick and nosedive. As you approach the jump, be sure to get in an aggressive riding position. You should be slightly standing, with legs and arms flexed. This allows you to use your legs more effectively to control the quad and absorb the impact of the landing. If you were seated and were to jump, all of the energy of the landing would go into your arms and shoulders, and you'd have no control over the balance. Your legs are much stronger, and this will lead to less fatigue riding over a longer period of time. I recommend using second gear as a good gear to get comfortable jumping with. You can carry enough momentum for a bit of air and still have plenty of torque to accelerate as needed. As you approach the jump, add a bit of throttle, accelerating smoothly. Make sure you're standing and have your weight either neutral on the middle of the quad or slightly towards the back. As you launch off the top, release the throttle, let the quad carry over the jump, and use your legs to help land smoothly. You can stay neutral or lift your body up slightly as you come over the top of the jump. Stay standing and with soft legs as you land, allowing the quad suspension and your legs to absorb the landing. Your eyes should be looking ahead and past the jump as you come over it, so you're aware of the terrain coming up and what to expect and do next. Congratulations, you just caught air. Be sure not to use too much throttle, or you'll lighten the front end too much and wheelie off the jump. And if you accelerate up to the jump but let off before going over it, you'll land nose first instead of evenly on all four tires. Jumping is a lot of fun, and like all things about riding, it gets easier with practice. So you make sure you get your reps in, and you'll develop a feel for how your quad likes to jump, where to position yourself, and how much throttle to use. Have fun, and thanks for watching.